Hey, what's up guys? It's 11:30 in the morning and we're going to the caravan today. Today I'm going because I'm off for 2 days, so I at least have 2 nights up in the caravan this time. And Jess is downstairs taking the bag down, and I'll be taking Melanie down now, and we will see you in the car. Hopefully everyone's having a good morning so far. And we have vlog schedules to be uploaded when we're away, so you won't be missing out on any vlogs while we're away. So see you in the car and catch you on the way.
Hi guys! We're in the caravan. We're getting ready to go now. Melanie's just getting strapped on. Peanut! Excited? We made it! We're here. Granda got Melanie this to play with. It's like a wee fishing net. And wee duckies for the bath. Where's your Paw Patrol? Oh my gosh, Granda spoiled you renting today. Wow. Oh, is that your new flask?
Come on.
Hello, babies.
Come on. Come on.
New flask.
Can you get her?
That looks like a
Water?
good. There it is, there.
I got
Come on now.
Just rough.
She's frothing.
Don't get some picnics for you.
Oh, class. Look, Granda got guys. We like picnics tonight. Right, we're gonna unpack and I'll see you tomorrow. Right, I'm gonna open this. We have an octopus. And we have a ducky! And then there's a wee net here to fish them out. Here you go now, Melanie. Right from the wee bucket and spade, you get this wee dinosaur. Look! A wee penguin! Oh wow. What's this? A cow? I think it's a cow.
You see the many ships there for the beach, yes?
Ah, I see, that's what I'm looking at. A wee rake. So you rake up the sand. A wee watering can. And then the actual spade to use. And then there's the big bucket. So it's like a castle then when you have the sand on. Wow, Melanie, you're split, man.
Grandpa's become very popular lately, but people cook it and there's absolutely no need. You can heat it through. I just once it hot, I just
Where's Daddy? Get him up.
You know what I do with it as well? I chop it up, not too much. I put it with pasta. Makes a great pasta sauce.
I'm learning something every day.
We're on the car now. We're gonna check out one of the parks down here and the farm if it's open. I think it's called Guidor Farm, I'm not sure. What's it called, man? What did it say on the website? I think it was Guidor Children's Farm.
That's the one there, mate. I think you know that me and that, you know, where all our caravan was with condensation, you know, in that wee room, me and Eileen had. I like.
When I wake up on there.
Hey guys, we're here at the farm now. Melanie, you happy to go see the animals? Yes? Yay! It's called Errigal View Pet Farm. And Jess is so insistent on going to it, I don't know why.
The sign.
Big pet farm. Pet farm. Lots of prices. €6 per person. And 20 for a family of 4. That's it, time's up. Come on.
Petting them.
Do they eat those food?
Look, Melanie. Birdies?
Wow. Do you see this one? This one?
I don't know what that animal is. Hey. What's your name? What's your name? Looks like a big rat, but I don't know what it is. What's your name?
I don't know what that is. What kind of pattern birdie it is.
I don't know what it is, guys. If you know what it is, comment down below.
Can you say?
Looks like a guinea pig or something.
I think that's a guinea pig. That's a guinea pig.
Is that Patrick?
Therese, do you want to go see the other animals?
Watch it upstairs.
Right. Thanks. Here, I'll play. The man is telling me the cookie here.
Wanna bite it, Jim? Look at this big rabbit. Big rabbit. Are you talking to the birds? Are you talking to the birds? What are you saying? Hmm?
Yeah, I suppose that.
Good, right?
Good, right?
Have fun.
All right. You good? You're doing well. You're not told them how you handle them.
What are you saying about the birds?
Most rabbits, okay. You should call and say, you look after some of them now.
How long would they live?
For 2.5 years, it's their lifespan. He's already 2.
Be cold today.
They're nocturnal.
Clean them dirty hands, yes. Go to mama. Go on. Uh-oh. You don't have to walk like this soon. Wow, Melanie. What are you doing? Down the slide. Down the slide. Come on. Smart girl.
She learned this in the Olympic Park.
Come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Look at the big girl. Wow, are you smart? Come on then. Come on. You got her.
Come. Yeah.
Down the slide you go.
Go.
Watch your bottom, it's wet.
Hello. Hey, see?
Look at the size of them.
Bunnies!
Wow, bunnies. Big bunnies. Look at the size of that one. Looks like a big Easter bunny.
Oh.
Wow. Do you want to go feed him? Do you like him? Do you like the big Easter bunny, Melanie? Look at the size of him. Ever seen a big brat like that?
Oh man, he's not a rat.
I'm only joking. Hey, bunny bunny.
Melanie, too.
That's a big bunny. Big bunny bunny.
I like a brown one.
You like a big brown one?
I love that big brown one.
Look at that bunny bunny. Hey. 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 What's Daddy do? Ducks and chickens living in harmony. Ducks and chickens living in harmony. Duckies and chickens.
Hey, Jeff.
Quack, 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 quack.
I want to see pigs.
So we're walking around this big lane here now. Hopefully her granddad doesn't get too annoyed waiting on us. It's wild windy today. Wild windy. She's windy today, boy. And Melanie's getting grumpy. Grumpy, 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 grumpy.
Wow, there's a big bridge.
The big bridge. A big bridge menu. Oh, Jess is massive. You want to tell your granddad to get in? You ring him?
Ring him.
So we're ringing Jessica's granddad now to see if he's going to come in. Hopefully he does, because it's a big walk and we don't want him to sit in the car for like 20 minutes waiting or even longer waiting for us. And there's Melanie walking off on her own. There's a lot of fences here so she can't get in or get out anywhere. Secure fences. Hey Menu!
He didn't ring him though.
Go and run down and get him.
Somebody?
Yeah.
You'll be out with her?
Yeah. So Jessica's gonna run down now and get her granddad while we wait. Me and Melanie's just gonna go for this wee bridge here. Hopefully they let her in back, because that'd be a shame if they doesn't. Come on Melanie, we're going over the wee bridge. Wow! Melanie first time going over a nice bridge. Wow Melanie! Is it a nice bridge? Look at that bridge! Wow! Nice bridge. As you can see, there'll be a waterfall below us. Waterfall below us. We got a waterfall with a stream, a wee river. Hey Melanie. Is that a good bridge, Melanie? Wow. 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 Back and forth over the big bridge. So Jessica convinced her granddad to come, so they're behind us coming down now. You can see the red jackets in the background. That's them coming. And Melanie's just running back and forth over the bridge. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Get up. You're a big girl. Come on. You're alright. You're alright. Is it bad? Is it a bad one? Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! Haha! Go over the bridge, kid. She's alright. I'm sure everyone's child has fallen someday. She has no cuts or bruises. She has on a thick pair of tracksuit bottoms and her hands doesn't seem to be hurt. She's back up and running again. Tell Mama you had a fall. Did you see her fall? No. Come on, baby. She had a fell.
Come on, baby.
Granda's here now, guys.
He's here now.
Hey, give me a hand.
Come on.
Here.
Come on. Come on. She's in love with that bridge. She doesn't want to get off. So we're going to see a llama. It's really fluffy and furry. And there's a wee kangaroo over there as well. I haven't seen a kangaroo in a farm for ages. So we're going to go over and see that kangaroo next.
Come over here, Granda. You see the
Big,
llama?
look at the big llama. Hello.
Hi, big guy.
Come on, Melanie.
Oh, he's lovely.
Big llama.
Mommy, look at the big mic.
Hello.
Hey, do you bite?
Look at your big teeth.
He looks like he bites.
Look at your big teeth.
What's your name?
Hello.
What's your name?
Look at his feet.
What's your name?
Two knuckles.
Hey.
Hey,
What's
you
your
there.
Wow.
Look at his guns on his teeth.
Look at his tooth. Big tooth.
Whoa, look, Melanie.
Big tooth llama.
It's a big llama.
Melanie looking at the llama.
Hello. You want some food?
Wow. What's his name? Why she don't bite you?
Hello. What is it? Looks like a rodent.
It's a big rodent.
Look at that.
It's a big rat.
Oh, you're lovely. You want to be my pet?
Why she don't bite you, Mendo?
Oh. I
Wow.
wish they had a sign up to say.
Not all the animals in there have signs in them, but a few does. This one says Panzer the deer, but I can't see him anywhere. He's probably hiding in the bushes somewhere.
See what?
Oh, there they are.
Fair enough.
You see them in the background. Gonna help just. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Are you looking for something to eat? What are you looking for?
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. Cuties.
Yeah, look. What's up?
Hello.
Melanie?
Look at us poop.
Big donkeys? I should have picked it up. Guys, the wind is mental out here. The wind is so bad. Hey duckies! Quack, quack, quack. Oh, look at this big swan. Ow, 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 ow. Think he might attack me. Oi! What's wrong with you? Oh! Is that right?
What's
You're
wrong?
not
All at him.
Food? Oh, is that
Mommy, there's an emu.
Oh.
Llamas.
We got mixed up with our llamas.
They're llamas. Hello.
These are the llamas. And those are the alpacas, the one in the background we were at first. And these are the llamas. Look at the size of him. Say hey for the vlog. Hey.
Hello, darling.
Say hey guys.
Watch this, but mommy.
Hey guys. Crack.
Hello, baby. You're beautiful.
He's well intimidating.
Oh, look at the wee horns on them.
It's a wee goat.
Oh, I like the wee horns.
Billy goat.
Wee billy goat.
It's up this wee hill now, and there's some more goats behind us.
Different goat like.
A different breed of goats. They have nice patterns.
Oh, you're lovely.
I don't know if they are goats or not, yeah.
Whatever you are really
I
nice.
wish they had signs to tell us exactly what they were. For now, we're just gonna call them goats.
They're not goats, there's some kind of it. There's some kind of it.
Wow, Melanie. Melanie's being a groom. She keeps running away from us and doesn't want to walk where we're walking. to have to carry her every time to
because
see the new animals.
she likes the animals that she's looking at, and then when you're moving her away, she doesn't want to say goodbye.
Bye bye animals. Bye bye animals up there.
Oh, I want to see them.
Alright, we'll come back down.
What?
We'll come back down and see them.
Where's the kangaroos?
I thought it was a kangaroo, it was a big rodent. Looked like a kangaroo.
Bernie, I found horses.
Why are you crying?
Hey.
You want the horsey? Don't eat my finger.
Hi, horses.
Look at the horses. Do you like animals?
Let me see you. Let me see your beautiful face. Oh.
Big horses.
Oh, what do you see?
Oh wow, he's a good boy.
No?
He's a good boy.
See the way he pushed me away?
He's a good boy.
No, I don't like him.
Good girl.
Wow, she's pretending now. You're a pretender.
Hi.
You're pretending now.
Hello.
But you don't pull that off and eat it. She's pretending. You wanna touch him again? Oh wow! You're pretending.
Hello.
Emu. Yes, I might bite you soon. Might pick your eye out.
Why would it pick my eye out?
I don't know. Because look at this. Attack. You attack mode.
Hello, Bernie.
Boomer.
Boomer.
They call it Emu Bernie.
Boomer.
I've looked this way around this hill. Boomer and Lucy. This animal may bite.
Gentleman or something, call him.
They just got shaven or something.
But it's a breed on gentleman.
Hello. You're beautiful.
No. Alright guys, so that's us finished the farm now.
Thank you.
See you later. So we quite enjoyed that. Melanie was a bit grumpy because she never wanted to leave one of the animals alone. She's still grumpy. She missed the animals already.
Put it all here, Jess.
Hello.
Hey?
Have you ever been?
A swimming pool. So we're going to the car now.
We're gonna make a good business here.
And we'll see you later. We're back to the caravan. Melanie's being grumpy. I think she's hungry or tired, or both. Are you hungry, tired? I think she's hungry. Dinner time. We're back at the caravan. And the dinner is gonna be made soon. We're having burgers and chips.
Eggs and beans.
Eggs and beans. Is it together?
Yeah.
Together. This is gonna fill Melanie up. You giving her that bottle? Melanie's getting a big bottle of water now. Keep her going until dinner time. Shouldn't be too long anyways. We just got back home in time. Look at the weather outside. It's so bad. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. Old man is snoring. Dinner time.
You get an egg in a minute, yes. A few more chips too.
Granda,
What's wrong,
can she have one
Menu?
of her forks?
What's wrong, Menu? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You that hungry, Cran? She seems to be settling down now after she took her first bite. What happened, Melanie? Were you that hungry? Wow, eat your food now. Be a good girl.
Hey guys, what's up? We're watching a movie called Bad Neighbors. It's just started. And we were just after watching, what is it called? Prescription for Murder. It was about like antidepressants causing mass murders. It was really good, really interesting.
Alright guys, it's night time. We're all ready for bed. Melanie's ready for bed, and tonight we're sleeping on the ground. Because we have no bed.
It's two singles.
Two singles on the bed, on the ground. So hope you enjoyed the vlog today and the animals and everything else. And we shall see you again tomorrow. Night night. Bye. Say bye, Melanie. Bye. She doesn't want to say bye tonight, so see you later. Bye bye.